In this video, we'll see together the prepositions and especially the prepositions when you combine them with relative pronouns. So we've been covering the relative pronouns before, and we'll see how tricky sometimes it can be when we combine them with the prepositions. In this video, we will focus on the preposition VERS. So, of course, we want to be extremely thorough and professional. So we will cover, of course, the feminine singular. We will cover also the masculine singular, the feminine plural, and the masculine plural. But in that case, let's start with the feminine singular, le féminin singulier. La préposition, c'est VERS. So, let's remember that if we want to combine VERS with something that will be living or animated, in that case, we will use the pronoun qui. La femme vers qui je me dirige est ma directrice. Okay, so remember, you will put your preposition vers, then you will combine it with qui because it's living or animated. La femme vers qui je me dirige est ma directrice. So the second option will be, of course, to combine it with something that can be animated or not animated, okay, but not living. This is the important thing, so it cannot be with a person. And in that case, we will use, for the feminine, remember that the pronoun was laquelle. So this is the feminine one. And so, la ville vers laquelle nous nous dirigeons est connue pour ses spécialités gastronomiques. So, same thing here. We put the preposition vers. Then after that, because la ville, obviously, it's not animated. So we will choose the feminine form because ville, as you can see, is feminine here. La ville. So we will take laquelle. La ville vers laquelle nous nous dirigeons est connue pour ses spécialités gastronomiques. So it will be exactly the same concept, in fact, after for the masculine singular. Same concept, so we keep the vers. First category, living or animated, and in that case, l'homme vers qui je me dirige est mon directeur. As you can see, the great thing about it, it won't change whether it's for the masculine form or the feminine form, it will be qui. So, l'homme vers qui je me dirige est mon directeur. D'accord? So remember, living or animated, we go for qui. Then after that, we have the second option, as we had previously, animated or not animated, but clearly not for persons. So, le village vers lequel. So remember that for the feminine form we had previously laquelle, but in that case this is the masculine form of the pronoun and it's lequel. Le village vers lequel nous nous dirigeons est connu pour ses spécialités gastronomiques. So remember, same concept here, we put the preposition vers, then we will go for the masculine form of the pronoun here, just because, of course, le village, le is masculine, and we continue the sentence. Le village vers lequel nous nous dirigeons est connu pour ses spécialités gastronomiques. So let's have a look now for the feminine plural, le féminin pluriel. So same concept here, we'll use vers. First category, as we had previously, living or animated. Les femmes vers qui je me dirige sont mes supérieurs. So the good news, once again, is that qui will be used, remember, for the feminine singular, for the masculine singular, but we'll also use it here for the feminine plural. And I give you a tip, it will be exactly the same thing for the masculine plural. So, qui will be used for all these cases. Les femmes vers qui je me dirige sont mes supérieurs. D'accord? So remember, because in that case we're talking about people, we'll go for the qui. Second category, animated or not animated, but once again, not persons. Les villes vers lesquelles. So in that situation, as you can see here, it's the feminine plural form, lesquelles. Nous nous dirigeons sont connus pour leur spécialité gastronomique. Les villes, so feminine plural, les villes, vers, and then lesquelles, same thing here, your pronoun will be in the feminine plural form. Nous nous dirigeons sont connus pour leur spécialité gastronomique. And last but not least, we'll finish with the masculine plural, le masculin pluriel. And so, same concept, vers will have the living animated first. Well, I told you previously, so we will use the qui again. Qui will be used for the plural and the singular, the masculine and the feminine. Les hommes vers qui je me dirige sont mes supérieurs. And we'll finish, of course, once again with the animated and not animated, but not living, so not persons. Les villages vers lesquels nous nous dirigeons sont connus pour leur spécialité gastronomique. So village is a masculine word, this is the plural form, so in that case the pronoun here is the masculine plural form, lesquels. Les villages vers lesquels nous nous dirigeons sont connus pour leur spécialité gastronomique.